We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP 4250. So if you're trying to figure out how much toner you have left, or you're just not sure, it feels like it's been a while and you don't know how much is left, there's an easy way to check and kind of figure out approximately where your toner levels are at, and we're going to show you how to get that information today. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to push either your up or down arrow, and that's going to take you to your menu screen, and you're going to scroll up or down until you find the information tab. Once you get on highlight information, you're going to hit the green check mark, and then you're going to scroll down until you see print supply status page. Once you highlight that, you're going to click on the green check mark again. And again, this is going to print your supply status page, and it's going to show you a lot of information as far as what's going on inside the printer. So here we have a supply status page. And you can see that it shows you a full status bar of how much toner is left inside the machine. It also gives you an approximate percentage based on a 5% usage of that cartridge. So again, this isn't 100%, but it gives you kind of a ballpark idea about where your toner is inside the printer. It also shows you useful information like how many pages have been printed with that cartridge and approximately how many pages are left to still be printed with that cartridge. So you can find out a lot of useful information as far as, if you have a big print job coming up and if you need to replace it or need to have a backup on hand, just to make sure you don't run out completely. It's pretty useful to have. Also on this page, it'll give you an approximate remaining level on your fuser. So it gives you an idea on where your maintenance kit is at on the machine and how long you have left on that. So again, a lot of useful information to make sure your machine's up and running and nothing's going to kind of go out on you right in the middle of a big job. If you see any of these bars getting low, please feel free to give Onyx if you don't know what they mean. We can help you out or answer any kind of questions you might have. Or if you don't feel comfortable doing anything with the printer and you're not sure what's going on, again, give Onyx a call and we'll take care of you. Other than that, hope you have a good day and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.